Hi library friends, this is Miss Lian from the Huntley Area Public Library, and today we're going to be making Tanghulu. Tanghulu is a fruit covered in a hard sugar coating, and it originated from China, so let's make some for Valentine's Day. For today's craft, you're going to need some fruit, a 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar, and something to cook on, so like a stovetop or a portable stovetop. First, you're gonna pour your sugar and your water into your saucepan and put the heat on medium. And all you're gonna do is swish the water around, and you're gonna let it boil until it turns caramel brown. While we're letting the sugar and water mixture boil, you're going to cut up your fruit. So I have a kiwi. I'm going to peel the skin off of it. Now be very careful and grab a parent if you need help. And now you're gonna slice kiwi or whatever fruit you have. If you have a strawberry, you can keep it whole and just put the whole strawberry on a skewer. And now you're gonna place your kiwi onto your paper towel and cut up your other . Now we're placing all of our kiwi onto the paper towel, and we're going to pat it as dry as we can. Okay, and then if you have some skewers, you're going to want to grab some skewers. If not, you can just put it flat into the pan, and you're just going to poke the skewer through your fruit. Oh. I'm going to try and fit 3 onto one skewer because I have a large pan. And then we're going to fit the last 2 on one skewer. Oh. You do want to make sure you cut your pieces thick enough so that it fits through the skewer. And now we're going to take these over to our stovetop. You can see that the sugar and water have started to boil. You're going to let it keep boiling until it is golden. And you don't want to stir it at all, so just leave it on the stove. Okay. So now you're gonna see that your sugar in your water has turned into this golden caramel color. You're gonna dip your fruit in as best as you can. With a skewer, it's a little bit tricky. And my fruit's falling off. You're gonna spin it till it cools, and then place it on a plate. Keep doing that. Try this one more time. So it seems like the ones that you put at the top want to fall off, so you're just gonna keep them in your pan and just flip it with a fork if you can. Or just try to put some of the syrup on top of it and then remove it off the pan with your fork. Turn your heat off. And that is how your Tanghulu turns out. You got a hard sugar coating over your fruit. Oh. So the reason why the shell came off is because there's too much liquid on your fruit, so you gotta make sure you tap it all off nice and dry. Let's see how this one turned out. So there's definitely some changes I would do for the next Tanghulu, but that's how you make Tanghulu. Now to test out our Tanghulu. Thanks for watching. Make sure you log on to huntleylibrary.org for all your digital content you have access to with your library card. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more fun crafts and story times. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!